In pathology, we are studying disease, and that is when systems are perturbed and not functioning normally. Many of the aspects of what we study in pathology are based on the foundation of what you've learned in other courses and areas of medical research, cell biology, immunology, microbiology, physiology. So on the foundation of these systems, we study the pathogenesis of disease. So the teaching approach in pathology is a mixture of larger classes, like your third year 3500 pathology class, which is quite large, mostly lecture-based, but very well supported with 2 TAs that run some extra sessions and help with questions and really getting ready for exams and knowing what the pertinent topics are. That's primarily our third year. And then as you move into fourth year, there's also a couple of lecture courses, some essay writing that will help you develop communication skills, and the capstone course of the research project. And that's where I say we have mixed method of learning and teaching, because in that course a lot of time is spent in the laboratory and then therefore working directly with a professor in their lab doing research and learning by doing, and learning critical thinking skills and making some mistakes in your research and learning that that's okay, and also that you might learn something from that and go forward and conquer the problem. So we have, I would say, quite a few different aspects of learning that we're trying to teach and see the students excel with in our program. So if you have some interest in pathology and you're wondering if it's for you, I think we have a lot of programs and places across the span of your 4 years where you can get information about that. Of course, in first year you may not be thinking so specifically, but certainly during academic counseling in first and second year, you can ask about the kind of courses that are necessary for the module, make sure you're on track for that. Every fall and spring we have intent to register events that you can come to from first year onward. And what I would say are the sort of my favorite aspects of the module, maybe the signature features of the module, or what I see is that students come in from third year having taken pathology. They have a lot of knowledge, but the thing about a research project that is the capstone piece in our module is really stepping into a sort of hybrid experience of working in the laboratory and taking a course, but working in a laboratory. So it's what I see is that students get the opportunity to be challenged with a complex environment where you have classes, you have responsibilities, you have a presentation, you have a report you're writing. So this project course is supporting your communication skills, your critical thinking skills, but also your time management skills and your professional skills, and learning these sort of softer skills that actually are sometimes the most important skills to have as you emerge from your program, graduate from your university.